If you go ahead and click on Mission Complete right here, it says you are almost done. Just go ahead and click on Let's Go, and it's going to ask you more questions. There are 49 questions. So, for example, how do you feel about using a foreign language? I would say like. Again, if you need to review your answers because you accidentally pressed something, click on Review My Answers and you could change them. Okay? And then it takes you back to quiz. So once I'm done, you will see what is next. I've completed my mission. Now it's going to say your best career matches and are you ready? I click View My Matches. And from here, I am able to see based on my interest and based on my personality and everything that I've answered, these are the options right here. And I could go ahead and explore and I could filter. So for example, if I want my minimum salary to change, I just click here and change it and notice that the careers are changing. If I click up more, it starts changing. It also goes by 4-year university or college, 2-year, and high school. So if I, for example, don't want to attend a 4-year college, I could see that in order to do this, I just need a 2-year college or technical training. If I click on high school, and take away the 2-year college, and I just need a diploma. These are information that could be helpful for you. And there you go.